I think some tips for success would definitely include care.
You gotta know your clients.
Communication. Listen to what they are looking for.
Figuring out the customer's needs are key.
Always hardwire your network if possible.
Attention to detail.
Audio video basic knowledge.
Playing around with the equipment, getting the hands-on experience with it.
I would say a couple of the tricks of the trade that we use, one of them is just not offering too many options for customers.
Talk to a customer about having the right components for their system. Not all the systems can give the customer the same experience. Some things that they may want integrated aren't as smart as others.
Comprehensive product knowledge can be a real asset.
Having that understanding that the right pieces can completely create a much better user experience.
Always use a drop cloth.
For sure.